Hi, how you doing? You're very welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Tumblr marketing. It's a topic I've covered a couple of times before. It's very underutilized. You can get a lot of good affiliate sales there. You can also get a lot of SEO backlinks. So let's get stuck into Tumblr marketing straight off the bat. If you like what you're hearing, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Check out the link notes down below. So let's get going here. Tumblr marketing. How to do it. Find your niche. The best Tumblr accounts are those that avoid meandering across the board when it comes to topics. Choose something that interests you, something you can write or post about at length, and one that you think others will find interesting also. Refrain from making it too specific unless you desire the short-lived viral approach, but don't make it all encompassing either. Cooking, photography and fashion blogs are perfect examples of topics to provide focus without being overly restrictive. Think about what you want to share with your readers, what they might like to see, and if you can actually produce enough content to keep them coming back for more. So once you've selected your theme and your niche, the next thing you need to do is get some followers. So one way to do this is to follow popular blogs of the same blog type. Learn from them and use them as your inspiration to create an awesome blog. After all, there's a reason why they are popular. Message them and politely ask them to take a look at your blog. Make sure you follow the people you message. They will most likely check and follow you back anyway. Explaining that you are new and admire them will make them more likely to help you. Ask these blogs or ask them is there any blogs that they recommend following, or look for a blog role on their blog. Message and follow these people as well. If they follow you, they will read blog posts from you and draw their followers to your blog. Tumblr ads are created as sponsored posts, sponsored video posts, or sponsored day. They are selectively shown to relevant audiences based on factors such as surrounding content, users are viewing, information provided, apps used, search history, and friends' recommendation. Ads on Tumblr serve across desktop, mobile, and tablet. Not sure if advertising on Tumblr is right for you? Advertising on Tumblr is ideal for any brand trying to reach an artistic, creative, entertainment-focused audience. Forbes described the Tumblr generation as a young, bright, and tech-savvy group of international users who seek what might seem counterintuitive, genuine online connection bolstered, not hindered by anonymity. If that sounds like your target audience, you should be advertising on Tumblr. However, any brand with good visual context to share can benefit from Tumblr advertising because it's a leading personal blogging and publishing site, perfect for PR and branding purposes. It can take a lot of time to craft the best piece of content and deliver the perfect outreach email, only to be let down more times than not. If you've ever had your ear to the ground in the SEO universe, you'll probably stumble across the idea of using Tumblr to build links to your site. Tumblr backlinks are some of the most valuable low-hanging fruit that don't require much time or expertise. They may not take you from the 5th page to the 1st page for all your keywords, but they definitely move the needle. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Tumblr marketing, there's a lot more to get into. It's hard to get it all in just a quick little video like that, so just send me a message, guys, or leave a comment down below if there's anything you'd like to add to it. Your experience with Tumblr marketing, or any other experiences basically you've had with Tumblr. Just let me know in the comments down below. I've left a couple of videos here. I think you'll enjoy them. Check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want a free ebook, guys, on mindset, just check out the link in the description below. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and look forward to hearing from you. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.